Hello everyone. Today we will read chapter 1, Don Quixote and the Windmills. Below you see so many things: torch, pocket knife, compass, rope, matches, phone, food, binoculars. So now what you have to do? You have to imagine yourself that you are planning to explore a forest along with your friend. And then you have to choose only four things. Among them, you have to choose only four things which you can take with you to the forest. So here you will write your name, and here you will write your friend's name whom you want to take to the forest for this adventurous journey. And then here you will write the four things which you want to take with you on this trip. Okay, so four things you will write. In the text we see two characters, Don Quixote and Sancho Panza. Don Quixote is a brave knight and he is funny at times. Sancho Panza, he is a foolish man. He stays with his wife and children and he becomes the assistant of Don Quixote. So let's read the conversation between both of them. Sancho Panza, get ready. I need a squire to share my adventure and help me on the journey. Will you go with me? Sir, I am only a poor laborer, and how can I leave my family behind? So one day, what happened? One day, Don Quixote decides to set off in search of adventure. Means he will begin an adventurous journey. So before beginning his adventurous journey, Sancho Panza decides that he will go and meet Sancho Panza. So Don Quixote says to Sancho Panza that will you become my squire? Squire means an assistant. So will you become my assistant? Will you accompany me for this adventurous journey? So will you come with me? So Sancho Panza says, Sir, I am a poor laborer and I have my family to look after. So how can I come with you? Don Quixote was not one to back down. So Don Quixote was not wanting to give up. So he says, he will defeat many knights, gather many riches, and conquer many kingdoms. In return for your service, I will make you the governor of an island. Just think of how grand that would be. So Don Quixote says, Sancho Panza, what we will do? We both of us will defeat so many knights. Knights means soldiers. So we will defeat so many soldiers and we will collect so many riches. And we will also have a big kingdom. So for this I will reward you an island. And it will be so great. Just think of it. So Sancho Panza says, if your honor will promise me this, I'll gladly serve you. So he gets affected with his word and Sancho Panza says, yes, if you can promise this much, surely I will be with you and I will serve you. So now Don Quixote had his squire and nobody can stop them for going for an adventurous journey. So but there was a small problem. What was that problem? Let us read. Sir, I cannot run very fast and I have no horse to ride upon. May I follow you on my donkey? None of my books tell me that squires ride donkey. But yes, you may bring the animal along. Once we find a disrespectful knight, we shall defeat him and take his horse. Until then, you can ride this donkey. So, what was that problem? Problem was that Sancho Panza had no horse to ride, so he cannot be very fast. So he requests Don Quixote that he has a donkey and he will sit upon it. So Don Quixote says that yes, you can ride the donkey. Later on, I will provide you horse. How? I will defeat a disrespectful knight and I will take his horse and I will give you that horse to you. Who says? Don Quixote says to Sancho Panza. So one evening, Don Quixote and Sancho Panza set out ready for the excitement of adventurous adventure. Okay, excitement adventure. They were ready. So look over there, my friend. There are at least 30 great giants standing there. I shall fight and defeat them all. What giants, sir? So Don Quixote says, look there. All these are windmills. So looking at these windmills, Don Quixote says, look, there are 30 giants. He's saying giants for these windmills. How many giants are there? 30 great giants. And they are standing there. So Don Quixote says, I will defeat them, I will fight with them. And this man, his squire, he's confused. What giants, sir? He says these are windmills, not giants. So he says, what giants, sir? Over there waving their long arms at us. Please look again, sir. Those are not giants. They are windmills. What you call their arms are really their sails. They move round and round in the wind to make the millstones turn. So Don Quixote says, there, look there, over there. They are waving their arms. These wings. He's saying they are arms. They are waving their arms. So Sancho Panza says, sir, please look, it is not the giants, these are windmills. And the arms which you are calling is actually their sails. And the sails which helps the windmills to go round. So this is the windmills, not the giant. But Don Quixote was not ready to listen to Sancho Panza. So he says, no, it is giants. And he was ready to attack the windmills, thinking that it is giant. It is quite clear to me that you know nothing about adventure. I tell you, they are giants. If you are afraid, then you can stay here. I shall go forward and fight the battle. But, okay. So Don Quixote says that it is giants. I am going to fight with them. And if you are afraid, Sancho Panza, then better you don't come. You stay here. I am going to fight with them. And he tries to explain that they are not giants. It is windmills. And he says, but. So now Don Quixote is ready to attack the giants. So he moves forward. Do not run away from me, cowards. There is only one knight here. Yet he is brave enough to attack you all. Move your arms as much as you like. You will not stop me. So he's saying, Hey, don't run away from me, you giants. I am the alone. I am the only one, and you are 30 of you are there. I am not afraid of you, and I will stop you. You just wait for me. So Don Quixote moves ahead and he struck the sails. So what happens? Don Quixote breaks his lens. What is lens? This is lens. Okay? So he breaks his lens and he falls down. Sir, are you okay? So he has fallen down and Sancho Panza is asking if he is okay. Now Sancho Panza thinks that by now he would have learned the lesson. But no, it was not that. Oh sir, didn't I warn you that they are only windmills? Be quiet, Sancho. I think that a magician turned those giants into windmills so that I would not be able to conquer them. But in the end, with my good sword, I shall win. So Sancho Panza thinks by now he must have learnt a lesson, but it was not. So he says to Don Quixote that, Sir, I had told you not to attack them. They are not giants. They are windmills. But Sancho Panza says, "Be quiet. Don't tell me that." And the magician has turned those giants into windmills. So, but I am not afraid of them. I will conquer them. So I will conquer them with my sword. So Sancho Panza understood that he can't do anything about it. I hope so. So he can't do anything about it. So what happens now? Uh, both of them are going for another adventurous journey. Okay. So in this way the story comes to an end.